So guys, on this video, I'm going to talk about my mystery trades on this week. We have so many mystery trades on this week. Okay, many mystery trades on this week. Uh, so many mystery trades. So let's start with this one. Pound Aussie. We failed to reach this high. Let me show you. Okay, after coming, you can see this is a back again move. We made this, we break, move down, fail to reach it high, but we break this high. You can call it an inflection point in a name. Then we come here, we fail to reach this high, but if we fail to reach this high, what you should be waiting? You should wait for an insurance entry. We have the first continuation here. Let's see it. That we missed it's sort of 15 minutes. Okay, some okay, continuation may be visible on 5 minutes, let's say. Okay, let's go. So our best continuation was this one. We started here as a two-touch continuation. Some people took it as a two-touch of 50% of the move. Go with maybe 15%. Some people took it on 10. End up with almost 2.9. But what I want to talk about this third touch is about this third touch here. So we move, we make a first, a second, and then this is the third touch. And on this third touch, we have a trade here. We have a trade here. So this is non-negotiable to me. Although I prefer see to see a full retrace full retrace candle on this kind of structure. And my retrace candle could be here, maybe for 12%, and I could end up with so this if we enter on 4 hours, this means I'll be managing it on 4 hours. So let's come back to this here. So if you entered on 4 hours, this your entry could be here. If you enter on 1 hour, there are two ways. You could enter it. Maybe you could set it just after you make the third touch you want to be in. Let's get for 10%. 10%. Then up to this low, you could end up with 10% again. So if you fail to get that one, you could get in with a reduced risk entry here. Reduced risk entry for like 17. You could end up with 4%. So I'm just showing the ways that you could enter this trade. So all this structure we came up to this low here. Then after coming to this low, we make this retrace candle, full retrace here. I think some people took it, but if you are not sure of this, you could wait for an insurance entry. And we don't have an insurance entry here. We don't have it. But maybe you could go on this low time frame and try to look on the entries. But for me, there was no clear entry here, so I waited for it to make this because I already knew this is a V-shaped structure. I also missed it. I already knew that it's going to be a V-shaped structure. When you have something like this, when you have something like this. uh, so I was waiting for it to, this is similar to this. So my entry on this way could be here, around this area here. Yes, set it up to this low, and this is 10%. Maybe I can take it to 14%. So this is similar to this one, similar to this one, as you see. So though I don't have I have this bearish candles here, setting for like this five. If something is not clear, just waiting for an insurance entry, and if you don't get it, it is okay. You're going to have another trades to take. So don't force it. Just don't force it. Let it play the way it wants. So this was my first trade. I missed the another trade was in year 30. As you can see, uh, we came down here. We almost touched this one. So after here, it started moving up. Then we have this first. This continuation failed to break this high. Then this all this all come to be okay. This all comes to be this one. Then we move up. Then after moving up, look at what we get. After moving up, we get this one. This continuation retraces from this low, and then so what? These are my favorite structures, and what I love about this, when I have something like this, there are two ways I can enter here. I can enter on the very low here, on this low here for almost 10%. This is the first way. The second way, I can enter as a low risky trade, a reduced risky one, maybe for 25. And look at this one. This was perfect one because it moved all the way up. So I could close my profit here, waiting for it to keep pushing up to this high for 8%. So if you entered here on the low, you could end up with almost let me see, end up with almost 16, based on how you manage the trade. The second entry was up here, and this one was visible in 15 minutes. So you can see it as a reduced risk entry for 12% and end up with almost 5. So after reaching here, we are waiting for it to commit here. What we are waiting for, let me delete this one. It commits something like this to keep pushing up, but we didn't commit. And if we didn't commit, I wanted to see if we don't commit, get a continuation down here to keep push down. Or maybe this could be something that is coming. It's coming. Let me. Could be something that is coming to retrace here and keep pushing up. So anything can happen from here. So I missed all those. That's why I'm waiting for a trade here right now. So my other missed the trade was on gold here. Let me show you. Let me show you on the gold. On the gold. The gold. The gold. So on the gold, we failed to break this low here. I was waiting for an entry after we After we make this one, it could, I was waiting for something like this, but we didn't get it. And then we didn't get it, we come back here, we make this one. So I was afraid to enter here because of this misty gap here. Okay, okay, that's why I couldn't take this try, but it's committed, and we moved up here. So for me, this was high risk because we missed this gap. So it could be something that is coming up to this high and to keep pushing to this low to finish the move up here. So that was a trade that I missed it, but it's okay. We're going to have another bit trade here. Correlation to this, we have silver, silver dollar. So this on the same day, we this was a show. Was much clearer. So if you miss that one on gold, this one was much clearer as a reduced risk entry for as a reduced risk. So let me go on 15 to mitigate the risk here. Okay, if you go for 30%, maybe 30% could be, you could be tagged out here. So okay, let's say 40 or 40%, and you could end up with 7%. So this one was the best way. So if when I'm trading gold, I also look up at silver to see a correlation. Sometimes you can have a not clear structure on gold, but it could be more clear on silver because they are same silver, and they are both dollar rated pairs. So that one also I missed the. Let's come to this one and see if we have an entry. Okay, let's say euro dollar. This one, but I don't like it. And euro dollar, we have touched this one. We're expecting, so it may come up to this high right now. Finish the business. Okay. So let me finish with US oily. Let me finish with US oily. US oily, we come. Okay, we had chances of coming to this high, but if we didn't commit, we end up on this inflection point, and we started moving down. So what we are waiting, we're waiting for a continuation. Where was a continuation? It was here, and it was not. Uh, so expecting it maybe to be like something like this, but it didn't commit to be something like this. We end up with it being like this. So after this reaches here, there was an entry. The first entry here was 28% stop loss to this low, and the second entry here with how much? Okay, second entry with 27, the 7 stop loss. So both of them give you 10%, depends on how you take them. So this was a beautiful one. So those who took them, good for you. So right now we are waiting for, let's see if you had another trade here. We don't have. So guys, those are my mystery trades. I want to show you. Uh, Drop your comments. Let me see what are ideas about my mystery trades, and see you on my next video, guys. See you on my next video. Next time I'll do a video to demonstrate my trading strategy, and I have a new thing called the correlation theory that I want to share with you. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share my video. Thank you, guys.